In front of me is Nubia Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can apply app layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then download free app called Launcher OS. From Launcher Studio Developer. This one, and when it's ready, launch it. Now to set it up, hit Get Started. Select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Then hit while using the app and allow in all available pop-ups. Close and add. And tap on Set as Default to tap on the Launcher Pro here and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my layout was successfully applied. If you want to go back to your default one, you can always do that by going back to the same Launcher app, choosing Set as Default and clicking on System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!